Guys, there's literally a tornado right now in my area. There's a tornado in my area. There's literally a tornado in my area. Hold on, I'm gonna cut it for a second. Seriously. What is that? Like, what? There's a little tornado. I don't know why. I don't know if I'm able to make videos after the tornado. I don't know if we're gonna have Wi-Fi when we do. Hold up. Okay. I don't know what is happening. I think we're gonna watch a little bit of videos. Y'all see me? Yeah. Blake 22 said. Blake 15 said, "Are you alright?" I think because there's literally just a sign of a tornado warning.
Moisture, Mike Tyson. Dr. Schwartz, total moisture, made with natural ingredients. Take the bite out and dry it. Dr. Schwartz, total moisture. Everyone's calling me Moisture, Mike Tyson. Dr. Schwartz, total moisture, made with natural ingredients. Take a bite out and dry it. Dr. Schwartz, total moisture.
I don't know what is happening.
My dad is from Chile and PR, which means I'm Chile, Dominic, Yurucan. But I always say I'm from Queens.
There's I want to know how I'm recording and it's light. I don't have my light on, but it's like a flashlight right there. It keeps going off. I don't know why.
How many points do you think you're gonna score? 11. Ray. How many points do you think you're gonna score? I'm gonna bust his ass. How many points though? Yeah.
Sir, that man really crossed you off your feet.
And put you on your booty cheeks.
And put your ankle 6 feet under. That's why I say, hey, you can no longer play the game. Hey, you got to quit b-ball today. Hey, because that man needed you there. Sir, that man.
Central C sampled Kai Cenat on his new album.
A million views on that video. No chat. C is tapped in. I know drama sells. The internet made me laugh out loud. Everyone talking behind computers. What you gonna do if my dog come round? I might make the young G come to your show with a stick like Moses, part the crowd. I ran that time, come only human. I got caught lacking, my guard was down.
Central C sampled Kai Cenat on his new album.
A million views on that video. No chat. That's my shit. Gotta drop on this spicy nigga.
From the beer to the key to the car.
Where's my license? There's no need. Always drama when I speak.
Come on, I haven't done it all day.
Holy carrot, big nut.
He's watching me. He's my anxiety.
I only played 2 years, man. Man,
Everybody talks about going to the dentist in America.
Chap. Hey, if you can sing or if you can't sing, repeat after me. Da 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 da.
Well, I haven't seen my part.
Hey, if you can sing or if you can't sing, repeat after me. Da 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 da.
Da 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 da.
Da 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 da.
Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Down. Ding 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 dong.
Hey.
The creator of this game made it impossible to get past 5 seconds? But I don't believe that. I think I could do it. Oh! Look at that. Already the first try and I got so close to 5 seconds. I know it's possible. Come on. Ooh! Ooh! Oh! I'm definitely breaking it. I can do it. Ah! I broke the game! 5.8! No one's beaten that! The creator of this game made...
Okay, I don't know what
You will
that is.
commit a crime in 3 minutes.
It's pretty direct, right?
What does yours say?
mine says, you will witness the crime in 3 minutes.
Jeremy, what is yours?
You will die in 3 minutes.
I think you're gonna kill Jeremy. No, I'm not. Why would I do that?
I gotta get out of here.
Are you kidding me? This is just a weird coincidence. Look, we'll get new fortunes and it'll be fine. You will soon acquire $50. It's the exact amount of money I have in my wallet. I have a child, Matt.
Milk solo by the stove, while she's easing over by the dish. Did you know that all the veg...
Music are you into? I like this. It's very grown up.
1738.
Is it true that you did not want to hop on Camila Cabello's Havana, but your mom convinced you to?
I don't care about clout. I don't care if I never get another one, so...
Just stop for a minute and smile. Why is everybody...
This is my book called...
Okay, bye. Oh.